Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok Creator Search Insight. This is a new tool introduced by TikTok that allows you to know what people are searching for so you can create content around them if you're a TikToker. With the Creator Search Insights tool, you'll be able to find popular topics that people are searching for. It's more like a keyword research tool for TikTok. To use the YouTube Creator Search Insight tool, first you want to open TikTok. And once you have TikTok open, you want to come to this section in the top right corner of your screen with the search icon. Tap on the search icon and search for Creator Search Insight. This should show you Creator Search Insight. If you do not see view, you want to make sure that you are searching properly for Creator Search Insight. To use the YouTube Creator Search Insight, tap on the Creator Search Insight. On this page, you'll be able to perform different types of keyword research. Personal favorites, what you want to do is tap on For You. This is going to show all popular contents or content gap. Now the content gap are popular topic people are searching for that are not having enough video, so you can create a video around that to get more views and engagement from people. You can tap on content gap, and this is going to show you popular contents within the content gap. If you're someone looking for something trendy to create a video around, you can tap on trendy, and this is going to show you what is trending on TikTok. You can also do some other things such as add to favorites or create a video around that topic by simply just tapping on add to favorite. This will be added to your favorites, and you can always access your favorites. Here you'll be able to find your favorites. Tap on favorite and you find any search insights that you have added to your favorites. You can also go ahead to record a video by tapping on video. You'll be able to start that. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to use the TikTok Creator Search Insight, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel for more related content, and I hope to see you in my next video.